Everyone, how are you guys today? I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Good morning, good evening, good night, wherever you are at the time you're watching this video. I hope you enjoy it and that you are able to get the benefit from the information that we are providing to you today. And today we are going to talk about private health insurance. How you doing, Jessica?
Good, and you, Evelyn? How you
Good.
doing today?
Really good, really good.
That's really great. I'm really excited about this topic today.
Yes.
Hi, everybody. My name is Jessica. As you guys already know,
Yes, exactly.
at this point, I think you guys know us, but those are watching the video for the first time. Thank you for watching. Thank you for giving us your time.
Yes, yes.
And today's topic, like Evelyn said, we're gonna talk about private insurance.
Yes.
That is a really important topic because it's a lot of people that have questions about can I have insurance in the United States if I am not a citizen here, if my status is legal or not. So today is going to answer all those questions.
Exactly, that's right, Jessica. Like you say, many people think that the only option is to have the ACA or Medicare or the government insurance, but if they cannot qualify for it, there's another option that they can have a private insurance that can offer an excellent coverage depending on you guys' situation.
Yeah, and for you that ask, what is private insurance? Private insurance is insurance that are referred to medical plans that are directly from insurance companies, not from the government.
Correct. And then these plans can be individuals or for families, and the coverage depends on the type of plan that the person qualifies for. Some of the plans include hospital stay, doctor's visits, lab work, prescriptions, and even extra benefits like telemedicine or welfare programs. So, you guys are not limited to what you guys can get. There's more things out there, with the private insurance that you guys can have.
Yeah, and the most amazing part of this is like you guys have the option to choose your out-of-pocket or deductibles, co-pays in the plans that you guys have, depend on the network, the doctors that you're going to be using. So it gives you a little bit more of possibility, more open.
Yes.
Than those insurance from the government.
Yes. And who qualifies for private insurance? That is a really good question because people are probably thinking, well, do I qualify or not? And yes, I think everyone do qualify for private insurance. And anyone that does not qualify for the ACA subsidy, or who simply wants to have, if you want to have extra coverage on top of the ACA, if you do qualify for the ACA or the marketplace, it's the same thing, you guys. Obamacare is the same thing. It's just in different words. You guys do qualify even if you want to have extra coverage or some extra supplement. You do qualify for the private insurance. And then with the private insurance, it's not just the insurance. They can do like extra supplements, like hospital indemnity. That's something extra that I do have some of my clients that do have ACA, but they want to get that extra coverage that will cover, let's say, like if they end up in the hospital, that side of that private insurance that they're paying, it will help cover that part of the deductible that is not covered through the ACA.
Like a hospitalization
indemnity. Yes, indemnity. Exactly.
That's good because you can always add, we call that supplementary insurance, right? And those are really good to know because if your health is kind of like, getting a little more delicate, or you're getting complications, for you to have this covered, these supplementary plans, they pay you. They don't really pay the hospital, but even that the money is for the hospitalization, but they pay you directly.
Exactly.
So in that case, you have the freedom to make decisions what you want to do with that money.
Exactly.
Too, right? So they are great people who are self-employed and have higher incomes and don't qualify for government programs. So, and then some people with the immigration status, these will be people that are good for these different options.
Exactly, especially the people that are don't have a social security.
Yeah,
These are the best options for you guys. That way you have some kind of coverage instead of no coverage at all. Um,
exactly.
and many people uses the supplemental plan, like we said before, to help with the extra expenses, from the regular insurance, and
Yeah.
it'll help with the deductible and the out-of-pocket care.
Yeah, and they do have different type of private
Mhm.
insurance. It depends on your needs. So major plans most coverage include preventing and hospital care and hospital accident plans. Those are help to pay a specific cost or case of an accident or as hospitalization, or even also include, and if they do studies for you, they pay you money back to you, no, it's to the hospital. And then the critical illness plans pay lump sum of cash for you diagnosis with you have a serious illness like cancer, heart attack, and this is really great,
Yes.
great plans and options for you guys to have.
Exactly, and don't forget about the supplementary insurance plans that are also cover the complete your main coverage. This basically, the supplementary is going to complete whatever else they need. You know, even though they have insurance to the marketplace, Medicare, or private insurance, the supplemental give you that extra um, peace of mind,
Yeah.
where you're like, okay, I have this extra supplement that is going to cover if something happened to me.
Yeah, definitely. That's definitely something that they have to look heavily, because sometimes your income is high, and with this it will help you to really compare the options, to find plans that work best for you and your family.
Mm-hmm.
And then that way, you don't need to just worry, oh, I'm making too much money and I don't have option in the ACA, or maybe the option in the ACA is too high. Then you will just go to the private insurance, and
Mm-hmm.
you can see
Exactly.
more flexibility, because
Exactly.
you basically have the money to pay for it, so
Yes.
it's based on your options,
Yeah.
right?
And it's also a good choice if you travel often or simply want more control of your flexibility over the coverage and benefits. So think about it, like we've been talking. This plan is really good if you have a higher income, you do not qualify for ACA, and you are okay paying for private insurance, or you want to just have extra coverage with the additional supplemental plans that we have available.
I do have an accident insurance, and for example, just to give you an example, the policy that I have, if I do have an accident and I go to the emergency room, they pay me $300 just to go and
Exactly.
check myself. And then it depends on the study, they give you more. So that can add a little bit more of pocket. Let's say that day the accident was in the morning and I couldn't go to work,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Yes.
In the people that go to work every day, then that would be a cover to cover at least $300. It will cover maybe 2 days of your job, right?
Exactly.
So it's really, and really the payments are less than what you really pay for your family McDonald's. So
Yes. Yes.
it's really convenient, right? To
Yeah.
have that extra coverage.
Exactly. And guys, don't forget that we're here to help you
Yeah.
to pick whatever plan is best for you. We go only based it on what you want,
Yeah.
what's going to be best for you according to your needs. So don't forget that, please. We're here to help you. We're here to provide you with the service that we can to help you guys out. Don't forget to follow us.
Yeah.
Click on the little
Like the video,
Where they're gonna
share
click.
and subscribe, and you hit the
Click that bell.
campanita, the bell.
Yes, please. And
Yeah.
we're here. Remember, this is your health, what you guys are taking care of. Don't forget that your health is very important, especially, that you have those funds to cover for your health.
Yeah. So basically, guys, the reason that we do have different companies and different options for you is for you guys, right?
Yes. Mhm.
Evelyn, we do are licensed agents in the state of Florida mainly, but we do have a non-resident or other states
Yes.
licenses
Mhm.
where we can help people in all United States, right, Evelyn?
Mhm.
So, and we are contracted with the different vendors and companies and insurance company. So that's why we do have the knowledge and we do can help you based on your needs.
Exactly.
We are not attached to one company, so we don't gonna choose which one is best for us. You guys gonna choose
For you guys.
best for you guys. So
Exactly, you know, and we're here to help you. Remember, we can even do a policy review and see what you guys have.
yeah,
Don't forget that we are on open enrollment right now for all of you that have ACA. It starts November 1st to January 15th of 2026. But we are here to help you, you know, even after, you know, January 15th,
we can still help
we
you.
can still help you guys. You know, you can still qualify. And for the private insurance, you do not have to wait until January. Once you check the plan, we'll show you what you guys qualify for. And then you are your insurance policy is active right away. You don't have to wait a month. You don't have to wait until January. You don't have to wait 3 months. That cover starts right away.
Yeah,
Okay?
exactly.
So-
Immediately. So that's a good thing for you guys, because if you are thinking, oh my God, I don't have insurance, something happened to us, like what happened to me one time, I have emergency surgery. At that time, my ex-husband was out of the military. We didn't have insurance. I didn't even know about ACA. I was living in Texas. And guess what? I ended up with a bill with $17,000
Oh my
with
God, girl.
a bill for the hospital
lot.
because I didn't have insurance, but I need the surgery. So you guys don't want to do that. Just be preventive and always have a cover. Just, it doesn't ask, let me see if I qualify. And what we said today to you guys is private and then it's public, so you always can have options.
Exactly. And remember, it's always a free consultation. We don't charge for anything. We can do a free policy review. Don't forget that our link is going to be right down on the description.
Yeah.
Just follow us and set up an appointment with either of us. We're here to help you guys.
Yeah, we're here to assist you, and we at the distance of a phone call, text message, DM,
Anything.
an email. So
Yeah.
we are here for you guys. So like the video, like Evelyn,
Yeah. Thumbs up.
share and
Take
subscribe.
care.
Bye.
Bye-bye.